Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Mr. P's Ponderings. I'm here today on a very special event. We're having our early years open house, the first of its kind since the fall of 2019. We have new and prospective families coming in, joining us, checking out what it is to have a day in the life of an early years student. They're getting the chance to play, understand what we mean by the fact that learning is play and play is learning. It's been a really wonderful morning, and we're so excited to get to share this special place with new families. For me, it's always a gift because I get to see this special place through fresh eyes. When I see someone come to the school and they see our JK classroom for the first time, or they see our swimming pool, or whatever it is, it reminds me of what a gift it has been to be here and to experience this both as a principal and as a parent, and very, very proud of it. So we're going to go on and continue to learn and grow and play together this morning. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.